Things happen. As you can see, it's actually generating. I can't believe it actually worked. I'm so happy to show you this simple guide. Oh my god, guys, 500,000 FC points, 100,000 gems in my account right now. Hello YouTube, my name is Steve, and guys, in today's tutorial your boy will be showing you how you can get unlimited FC points and unlimited gems all in your favorite football game FC Mobile 26. Guys, free safe and only, without download any mode APKs or any softwares. So just make to follow each and every step that your boy implemented in today's tutorial and you'll be having unlimited gems and unlimited FC points. First step is open up your browser, Safari or Google, doesn't matter, and type in address right here. Next step is search your game or app. Okay guys, I find my game and enter your username. Guys, please enter your username in your FC Mobile account or game, of course. Okay guys, and choose your platform. I select iOS. Very fun step. Oh my god. Select your gems and select your FC points. Okay guys, I select 100,000 gems and maybe 500,000 FC points. Why not? Click continue and wait for loads up. I find this guide only testing in a few times, and once I saw it work perfectly and I decide to share it with you guys. Okay, everything is perfect right now. Okay, click device verification and wait for loads up. Guys, very important step. Download 2 app or complete 2 questionnaire. Okay, I understand. I download 2 app or complete 2 questionnaire. Install just play and play 2 games. Okay, I install and play 2 games. Scroll down, install the TikTok app and run it. Okay. And maybe install 5 bucks and play 2 game. Okay, I understand. I install and be right back. Guys, all of this app is from official App Store, Google Play Store, and working for both iOS and Android devices within a few simple clicks. Guys, quick type, don't use VPN. In my network, just use home Wi-Fi or any good internet and you'll be fine. Okay, I install and be right back. Okay, my peep, your boy complete all steps. Everything is here, everything is perfect right now. Now open up your FC Mobile game. Okay guys, and wait for loads up. My favorite game is FC Mobile 26 and I spend so much time playing it. Okay guys, wait for loads up. Okay, nothing is happening right now. Maybe if I go to the store. Okay guys, nothing is happening. As you can see, it's actually generating. I can't believe it actually worked. I'm so happy to show you this simple guide. Oh my god, guys, 500,000 FC points, 100,000 gems in my account right now. Leave a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video guys. Bye.